Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 128GB kit with 4x32GB sticks running at 5600 MHz with a CL40 latency. This memory is designed for the latest Intel platforms, boasting XMP 3.0 compatibility and full ICU integration. First impressions are always important, and the Vengeance RGB DDR5 doesn't disappoint. The modules feature a sleek black heat spreader design, and the 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module are incredibly vibrant. The panoramic light bar ensures that the lighting looks fantastic from any angle inside your case. But it's not just about looks. This RAM is built for performance. The 5600 MHz speed and CL40 latency offer a noticeable improvement over previous generation DDR4 memory, especially in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming at high resolutions. One of the standout features is the onboard voltage regulation. This allows for more precise and stable overclocking through Corsair's ICUE software. Unlike older systems where you had to rely solely on motherboard controls, ICUE gives you granular control over voltage settings, making it easier to push your memory to its limits. Speaking of ICUE, the software integration is seamless. You can customize the RGB lighting with dozens of preset profiles or create your own unique effects. The software also allows you to save custom XMP profiles, tailoring performance for specific applications or tasks. This is a huge advantage for users who want to optimize their system for different workloads. The 128GB capacity is obviously geared towards power users. If you're a content creator working with large video files, a professional using demanding applications, or a gamer who wants the absolute best performance, this kit provides ample headroom. You won't have to worry about running out of memory, even when multitasking with several resource-heavy programs. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with installing RAM. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR5 and the XMP profile is enabled in your BIOS. Once that's done, you're good to go. In terms of real-world performance, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 shines. Benchmarks show significant gains in memory bandwidth and reduced latency compared to DDR4. Games load faster, applications feel more responsive, and overall system performance is noticeably smoother. Of course, the price point is a consideration. DDR5 memory is still relatively expensive, and a 128GB kit like this is a significant investment. However, if you need the capacity and performance, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 is a top-tier option. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 128GB kit is a fantastic product. It combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance and advanced features like onboard voltage regulation and ICU integration. If you're building a high-end system and want the best possible memory, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.